Okay, chicos, now we are going to continue working on the first worksheet, okay? So the first thing in your paper is your name because teacher needs to know who is making the work. Okay, what we are going to do? We are going to color the picture that begins with the sound of the letter W. Wa, okay? Which one begins with the sound from the letter W? We are going to color the circle that have the letter W, W, and then we are going to listen and color only the ones that begins with the W sound. Okay, wa, okay, number 1. Ready? Okay, we finish. Okay, now we are going to start. I'm gonna tell you the names from all the pictures and then we are going to make a review and start coloring, okay? Number 1, window. Number 2, walrus. Number 3, cap. Number 4, goat. Number 5, watermelon. Number 6, nut. Which one begins with the W sound? Again, number 1. Ready? Listen. Window. Window. Yes or no? Yes, so window begins with a sound from the letter W. So we are going to color the window, okay? Very good. So we color the window. Number 2, okay? Continue with the number 2. It's an animal that lives in the water. It's a walrus. Walrus. Yes or no? Yes, so we are going to color the walrus. Okay. We color the walrus. Very good. So we color the walrus. And then we continue with the next one. Number 3. Remember, it's a cap. Cap begins with a W sound. Wa. No, because we don't say wap. We say cap. Okay, do you have to color? No, you don't have to color. So we are going to make an X. Okay, because begins with the letter Z, not with the letter W. Okay, the next one it's a goat. Goat begins with the letter W. No, so we make an X because goat begins with the letter G, so we don't have to color. Continue with the next one. It's a fruit. It's a watermelon. Watermelon. Yes, so we color the watermelon. Okay. So we color the watermelon. It's so delicious. I like to eat watermelon. Okay, we color the watermelon. And the last one is gonna be let's see. The next one is a nut. 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 Begins with the letter N. Did you have to color? No, because nut begins with the letter N. Goat begins with the letter G. And cap begins with the letter Z. Okay, did you understand what did you have to do? Very good. So in the next video, we are going to make the last worksheet, okay?